This seniors yoga practice reminds that age is never a limitation when the mind is disciplined and the breath is steady. Yoga is not only exercise. It is harmony between body, breath, and awareness. This graceful journey starts from Shavasana, Pada forward stretch of awareness. Now gently move into Pada Uttanasana. The body bends forward with control and patience. Feel the stretch along the legs and spine. Forward bending postures improve flexibility and help maintain mobility in daily life. The breath guides the movement. There is no hurry, no competition, only awareness. The body lengthens naturally. The mind becomes humble and peaceful. Excellent control and balance. Slowly release. Vishalpada Uttanasana, wide leg forward stretch. Now the legs are widened comfortably. Slowly bend forward into Vishalpada Uttanasana. This posture improves flexibility in the hips, hamstrings, and lower back. It also strengthens balance and circulation. The wide stance represents openness and stability. Breathing remains smooth and relaxed. A senior yogi shows that flexibility can continue through every stage of life. The body stretches with grace. The face remains calm. Wonderful practice. Slowly come up carefully. Now gently recline into Supta Uttana Baddha Konasana. The soles of the feet come together. The knees relax outward. The chest opens naturally. This deeply relaxing posture supports hip flexibility and improves relaxation. Feel the gentle expansion across the body. The breath flows softly like a peaceful river. This posture also helps calm the nervous system and release fatigue. Senior yoga is not about difficult movements alone. It is also about surrender and healing. Relax completely. Now slowly transition into Supta Uttana Padmasana. The lotus posture is maintained while reclining. This advanced posture reflects patience, years of practice, and body awareness. The hips open gently. The spine relaxes into the earth. Breathing remains steady and calm. The mind becomes deeply inward. Yoga teaches us that true strength is silent. Every controlled movement reflects discipline developed over time. Excellent focus and grace. Now move gently into Viparita Baddha Konasana. The body relaxes into an inverted supported position. This posture improves circulation and refreshes the body naturally. Blood flow becomes revitalized. The legs feel lighter. The chest opens beautifully. Senior yoga helps maintain vitality and confidence. Even simple inversions can create freshness and mental clarity. Remain calm and steady. Wonderful balance. Now gently extend into Supta Uttana Vishala Padangusthasana. The legs widen with awareness and control. This posture develops flexibility in the hips and inner thighs while improving body alignment. The breath remains calm. The body stretches without strain. A senior yogi reminds the world that disciplined practice can keep the body active and graceful. Feel openness. Feel stability. Feel freedom in movement. Excellent. Slowly release the posture. Returning to calmness, once again return to Viparita Baddha Konasana. Now the body enters deeper relaxation. The heart feels light. The breath feels peaceful. This posture symbolizes balance between effort and surrender. Senior wellness is not measured by age, but by energy, positivity, and consistency. Relax fully and enjoy the stillness. Beautiful practice. Final forward bend. Now gently return to Pada Uttanasana. The body bends forward once more with awareness. This final stretch improves circulation and relaxes the spine. The body now moves with greater ease compared to the beginning. Yoga rewards patience. Every day of practice builds strength slowly and steadily. The breath guides the body into deeper relaxation. Wonderful flexibility control. Slowly rise carefully. Complete relaxation. Now lie down peacefully in Shavasana. Allow the entire body to rest. Feel the effects of the practice spreading through every muscle and every joint. The body feels lighter. The breath feels softer. The mind feels silent. This yoga sequence has improved flexibility, circulation, posture, balance, and inner. This is the beauty of senior yoga. A celebration of health, discipline, and graceful aging. Relax the face. Relax the shoulders. Relax the entire body. Remain in this peaceful stillness. Take one deep breath in and slowly breathe out. With gratitude for the body, the breath, and the journey of life, gently open your eyes. Each breath brings clarity. Each moment brings awareness. Senior practitioners inspire others not through speed, but through discipline and consistency. Remain relaxed, graceful, and wonderful.